This AI system never forgets anything you tell it. Your brain is broken. You forget 90% of everything. But what if it didn't have to be? I just discovered something insane. AI systems that build you a second brain. They remember literally everything. Every conversation you have. Every document you read. Every random thought at 3 a.m. All of it stored perfectly. Here's the crazy part. These aren't just storage systems, they're thinking systems. They connect dots you never could. Obsidian with AI plugins. Notion AI databases. Rome research networks. Logseek knowledge graphs. But here's what nobody tells you. The real power isn't storage. It's retrieval. Ask your second brain anything. What was that book recommendation from last month? Instant answer. Show me all my thoughts about productivity. Boom. Every single one. Your biological brain handles creativity. Your digital brain handles memory. Perfect partnership. I've been testing this for 6 months. My productivity tripled. My ideas got sharper. My memory got photographic. The scary part? Most people don't know this exists. While you're forgetting everything important, others are building knowledge empires. These systems learn your thinking patterns. They predict what you need. They surface forgotten connections. That random article from last year? Connected to today's problem. Your second brain sees it instantly. Here's what this means for you. Every book becomes permanent knowledge. Every conversation becomes searchable data. Every idea gets preserved forever. The people using this right now? They're building massive advantages. While everyone else forgets. They remember everything. But there's a darker side nobody talks about. These systems know you better than you know yourself. Every thought pattern. Every interest, every mental connection. Some of these tools are getting banned in certain industries. The advantage is too unfair. The window is closing fast. Soon everyone will have this. Right now, you can be early. Your competition is still using notebooks. You could be building digital immortality for your thoughts. The question isn't whether you need this. The question is how much longer you'll accept forgetting everything important. Tomorrow I'm showing you something even more insane. AI that doesn't just remember your thoughts. It thinks your thoughts for you.